one is A and other is B. So now calculate D here. D is equal to B minus A. Formula is written here. When you will solve the question, you will have to write the formula, but this time I am just using from here. B means 2 minus 1 upon n is 5, 5 plus 1 according to the formula. Calculate, that is 1 upon 6 it is coming. Now you have to insert 5 rational numbers. Then first will be, what is A? A is 1. In 1 you will add 1 upon 6. 6 means this D will be added. What you will get? That is 6 1 is 6 plus 1, 7 upon 6. Second number. For obtaining second number, in first whatever you have obtained, you will add next again D. This will become 8 upon 6. Third number, that is equal to 8 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, that is 8 1 9 upon 6. Fourth number is equal to 9 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, that is 10 upon 6. Fourth and fifth number, that is 10 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 is equal to 11 upon 6. These 1 2 3 4 5 numbers were required. You have obtained these numbers, but for the sake of checking whether these are right, I want to explain one thing. You just calculate the sixth number. When you will place 5 numbers between A and B, the numbers, just I am writing for the sake of explanation. After 1 you will first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the 5 numbers to be inserted, and lastly there would be 2. It means you will have to understand there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 numbers, or from here you will obtain this is fifth number, and when you will again add this quantity 1 by 6, you will get this number. If it is coming, then your calculation is correct. So I will show you here. When you will add 11 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6, it means you are going to calculate this number. This you have not to calculate. Your answer will remain up to this stage. 12 upon 6, and this will be cancelled. 6 2 ja, answer 2 is coming. It means next number would match. If it is matching, your calculation is correct. If it is not matching, then you will have to go through again. One thing you observe, 7 upon 6 is not cancelable, but 8 upon 6 is cancelable. It means 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja, this is 4 upon 3, 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 upon 2, 2 5 ja, 2 3 ja, 5 upon 3. When you will write the final answer, that must be perfect rational numbers. Your answer would be, required numbers would be 7 upon 6, 4 upon 3, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 11 upon 6, 1 2 3 4 5. This is your answer. This will be perfect calculation. Now I am giving you in your exercise in NCERT exercise 1.1, the major concept is this. Although there are, I think, less questions, 1 or 2 questions, including those questions I am writing some questions here. Your work for today will remain to solve this question only and understand the concept whatever I have explained here. This you have to set in your mind. Your homework would be, for the sake of homework, I will give you pick of the questions that you will solve. Okay, thank you.